Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Okay student, today is your lecture number 5 that is based on the topic The Magic Show chapter number 18. Open your book, go to page number 93. Go to page number 93. Have you opened your book? Okay. Now today we are going to do exercises of the book. You have to take out your pencils to write on the book. Okay? Take out your pencil now. Have you taken it out? Okay. Your first exercise on book page 93 is exercise A. It says rewrite these sentences after changing them into present tense. Okay. Your exercise A is rewrite these sentences after changing them into present tense. Here some sentences are given. You have to convert them into present tense. Okay. Into which tense? Present tense. Okay. So your first statement is the show started at 9 o'clock. Is it correct? No. So the show starts at 9 o'clock. What will be the correct statement in the present tense? The show starts at 9 o'clock. Your next statement is the magician came on to the stage. Answer is the magicians comes on to the stage. The magicians comes on to the stage. Number third statement is the magician showed magic tricks. The magician showed the magic tricks. What will be the answer? The answer will be the magician shows magic trick. He took off the lid. What will be the answer? He takes off the lid. Okay. He takes, Takes, takes off the lid. Okay. Number 5 statement is he borrowed a ring. Answer will be he borrows a ring. He borrows a ring. Okay. So your next statement is the helper got out of the box safe and sound. Answer will be the helper gets, Gets, gets out, out of the box safe and sound. Number 7 statement is the whole crowd of students cheered the magician. The whole crowd of the student cheers the magicians. Okay? The whole crowd of the students cheers the magician. Have you done this? Okay. Now open your book page 94. Here are verbs are given in the form of present and past. Okay. So you have to learn them. I'm going to read it once for time for you. You have to listen me. Okay. Shall we start it? That's good. Smile, smiled. Slip, slipped. Crave, craved. Sorry, carved, carved. Stop, stopped. Live, lived. Bring, brought. Dive, dived. Can, could. Cook, cooked. Grow, grew. Jump, jumped. Has, have, had. Offer, offered. Hide, hid. Pick, picked. Is, are, am. Was, were. Plant, planted. Keep, kept. Play, played. Meet, met. Recover, recovered. Put, put. Sue, sued. Read, read. Shout, shouted. Sell, sold. Show, showed. Shine, shone. Start, started. Shut, shut. Tramp, tramped. Sit, sat. Visit, visited. Stand, stood. Walk, walked. Speak, spoke. Watch, watched. Tell, told. Quarrel, quarreled. Find, found. Shape, shaped. Know, knew. Okay, student, this is your verb revisions. You have to learn them. Okay. Now moving to the next page, that is page number 95. Open your book page number 95. Here is another revision exercise given. It's about also verb. It's also about verb. What is a verb? Yes, verb is an action verb. Verb is an verb is a action verb, or a word that shows some action is known as verb. Okay, any word that shows some action. Okay, like reading, writing, swimming, sleeping. Okay, so if you are read, if you write, if you sleep, if you walk, all the things are all the words that show your action is known as verb. Here is an exercise A is given over here. Choose the correct verb to fill in the blanks. Here some verbs are also given. You have to choose them and you have to put them in your blanks. Number 1. The boy dashed into the stream. The boy dived. The sun dashed brightly in the sky yesterday. Shone, S-H-O-N-E. Shone. Number 3. Someone knocked, K-N-O-C-K-E-D. Knocked at the front door. Knocked, okay? Number 4, who at my apples. ATE, at my apples. Number 5, they wrote with pens. WROTE, wrote. Okay. Number 6, Sarah drew a lovely picture. DREW, drew. Okay. Number 7, he spoke softly. SPOKE, spoke. Number 8, Humpty Dumpty dash of the fall. Fell. FELL, fell. Humpty Dumpty fell off the wall. Okay, have you listened this poem? Yes, this is very interesting poem. Okay, now moving to the next exercise. Use the correct verb and write in the front of the sentences. What you have to do, you have to use the correct verb and then you have to write them in the blanks given over here. Okay? Shall we start it? That's good. Okay. A footballer kicks. 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 A shopkeeper sells. 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 A teacher teaches. TEACHES. Teach. A tailor sew. SEWS. Sew. A mountaineer climbs. 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 A farmer plow. PLOUGHS. Plows. A cook cooks. 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 A clown jokes. 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 Okay, student, have you written it all? Okay, now moving to the next page, that is page number 96. Open your book, page number 96. Here is a language structure given over here. Today we are going to do and we are going to know about dialogue. What is a dialogue? Do you know? Okay. I am going to tell you a dialogue is a conversation between two or more than two persons. Okay. Today we are going to do a dialogue that have a lot of questions and most of the questions start with WH words. Okay. Like what, where, when, who, whose, which, and how. Okay. So, shall we start it? Here are two characters in this dialogue. First character name is Shumaila and second character name is Tanya. Okay. They are discussing about their vacations. Okay. Shumaila, hi Tanya, how are you? HOW, how. How are you? Tanya, not bad. How was your Eid? HOW, how was your Eid? Shumaila, wonderful. Tanya, oh, what did you do? WHAT, what did you do? Shumaila, I went home for Eid. Tanya, where is your home? WHERE, where. Okay, where is your home? Shumaila, Karachi. Tanya, how long did you go for? HOW. How long did you go for? Shumaila, I spent 2 wonderful weeks there. Tanya, when did you leave? WHEN. When did you leave? Shumaila, I left on November 15th. Tanya, what did you do in Karachi? WHAT. What did you do in Karachi? Shumaila, I saw my family and friends. Tanya, how far is it from Rawalpindi? HOW. How far is it from Rawalpindi? Shumaila, it's 2 hours by plane. Tanya, which airline did you take? WHICH. Which? Which airline did you take? Shumaila, I took Shaheen Airlines. Tanya, why didn't you take PIA? WHY. Okay. Shumaila, because there wasn't any seat. Tanya, when did you get back? WHEN. When did you get back? I got back yesterday. Tanya, who met you at the airport? Shumaila, my brother met me. Okay, student, this is a dialogue between two friends, Shumaila and Tanya, and they are discussing about their vacations. Okay, this is your today lecture. Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.